Okay, let's do the next very interesting exercise. Okay, before going to the exercise, just read the heading carefully. Okay, this is a heading. Complete the spelling of the word. Okay, complete the spelling of the word. Okay, we want to complete the spelling of the given word. Okay, first step, we are going to find it out the name of the picture. Then we are going to tell the picture name aloud and we are going to write the correct spelling. Okay, for this exercise there is a three process. First process is going to find it out the name of the each and every picture, and the second one is going to tell the name of the picture aloud, and the third process is going to write the correct spelling. Okay, let's go to the exercise. Okay, this is a boy and the question mark is asked for this parts of the body. What is this? This is a chest. Okay, for the chest, the first three-letter word was given. C-H-E. Ch. St. Yes. T. Chest. Okay, and the second one, this is a desk. Desk. You're hearing a yes on desk. Yes. And here K. Desk. Okay, let's move to this picture. What is this? This is tent. Okay, do you live in the tent? Do you live in the tent? No. Okay, you can build a tent using your blankets in your home, and you can play with your brothers and sisters very easily. Okay, use the two blankets and keep the pillows inside, and you can make some beds and you can play it with your friends or brothers or sisters. Okay, now tell me the spelling for the word tent. What's okay? Now tell me the spelling for ten. T-E was given 10. Yes, you are getting a yen sound. 10. T. Yes, T. Very nice. Okay, let's move to this picture. This is stamp. Okay, I have already told you the brief story of stamp, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, I've told you already in previous exercise. Now we are going to find it out the left out word letter from the word stamp. Okay, let's tell me this. Stamp. Yum. You're getting M son. Stamp. Very nice. Okay, stamp. Okay, this is spring. I've told you already what is the spelling for ing. I-N-G. Ing. Okay, so I'm going to make a N-G. Spring. Okay, now what is this? This is gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. Okay, so far we have find it out the leftover word, isn't it? This is a chest. C-H-E-S-T. chest. This is desk. D-E-S-K. desk. This is tent. T-E-N-T. tent. This is stamp. S-T-A-M-P. stamp. This is gift. G-I-F-T. gift. This is spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. spring. Okay, children, did you understand? We already saw this exercise, but even we are revising. If you do revising, then only we can understand very better and we can remember the words also. Okay, children, let's go to the next exercise.